Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change a video resolution in camera on this device, or how you can record videos in 4K. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, tap on three stripes here, and here you can change video resolution. So you can set up 720p, 1080p, 4K and also 8K resolution. So as you can see, you can also switch frame rate. You have 30 FPS or 60 FPS. For 8K you have only 24 FPS, but yeah, that's how you can switch video resolution. 4K for example. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.